Norman Harris worked in an office for 20 years. But then he lost his job because he began doing everything wrong. His wife sent him to a doctor, and the doctor asked him a lot of questions for an hour, and then said to him, "Mr. Harris, there are two different people in you, and they're fighting each other. I'm going to send you to a hospital for a week, and I'm going to examine you again after that." The doctor gave him a bill for £20. Norman took £10 out of his pocket and gave it to the doctor. Then he said to him, "Get the other half from the other man. I'm not going to pay for him too."